Welcome to HomeGlow Studio. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to design a modern kitchen that is both stunning and functional, you're not alone. Homeowners across North America, Europe, and the Middle East often face the same challenges: cluttered countertops, lack of smart storage, poor lighting, and materials that look cheap or scratch too easily. At HomeGlow Studio, we make interior perfection seamless and stress-free. Upgrade to sleek Waterfall marble countertops with custom brass inlays, durable, scratch-resistant, and effortless to clean. Designing a kitchen in the US, UK, Europe, or the Middle East often comes with the same frustrations: cluttered spaces, outdated appliances, poor lighting, and surfaces that are a nightmare to keep clean. The fix? It's all in smart, intentional design. Seamless dark wood cabinetry paired with fully integrated smart ovens keeps your space uncluttered while offering max storage. Flush induction cooktops embedded into premium dark marble give you modern precision cooking with effortless one-wipe cleaning. Concealed under cabinet LED strips and warm pendant lights eliminate dark corners and create a cozy, luxurious mood. Upgrade your everyday living with timeless architectural design. Subscribe to HomeGlow Studio for more luxury home transformations, and drop a comment below with your favorite feature. Transform your space with layered ambient lighting, from statement pendant lights to concealed LED under cabinet glows. Homeowners across the US, UK, Europe, and the Middle East often face the same frustrating issue: kitchens that feel disconnected, poorly lit, or cramped for daily living and entertaining. Incorporating warm oak tones, large windows, and natural indoor greenery brings light and energy into compact urban spaces. Say goodbye to clutter with custom hidden pantry cabinets, sliding spice drawers, and soft close organizer systems. Stop compromising between elegance and convenience. Give your home the glow-up it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe to HomeGlow Studio, and click the link below to transform your space today.